guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today, I am so incredibly excited. We are playing with the Jeffree Star Alien palette. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting for this in the mail. I ordered it right when it launched. This is the unicarton for it. Oh, hold on. She fell. She fell. Why do I do these things? Okay, so this is the unicarton for it. How amazing is that packaging? So it's this really cool purple with like a galaxy looking all over it. And then this is the palette. She is the size of my head, which I am not mad at. I love massive palettes because that means it's got a lot of shadows to play with. It comes with this incredibly large mirror, which I live for because I did do this look with the palette, and to just hold the palette like this was so easy. It's not heavy and I have wrist issues, so if a palette's too heavy I can't do that, but not a problem with it at all. This is the inside. Like, what even? It's so freaking beautiful. I'm not gonna swatch all the shades just because I know you guys are probably gonna come for me, but I just feel like they've been swatched so much, at least from what I've seen, because a lot of people got this in PR or a lot earlier than I have. And you will see how everything applies because this is the look that I did, and I did use a lot of them, but I'll just swatch a couple just so you can see. So this is Interstellar. Like, what even? Let's see, Phone Home. And I mean, these come up so quick and easy. This is Space Cowboy. Like, they are such beautiful shadows and they blend, like look at that. It's just, they're beautiful. They are so, so beautiful. They literally, you barely need anything to get product on. But I'm gonna stop rambling and I'll let you guys see how they actually perform and my first impressions of this palette. So if you're curious on how I got this look right here and use this little guy, keep on watching. So let's get into this. I am so excited. So, I have been waiting for this palette forever. So here is the beautiful inside of it. I already primed my lids, but I have not set them yet. So I am just gonna make sure there's no creases, and there are not. I am going to take, where is it? This is the Morphe E14, and I'm gonna set my lids with Titan, this shade right here. And I love that there is this massive mirror. Oh my God, this is everything. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Literally applies like butter. This is perfect. Now for today's look, I really wanted to do like a neutral tone cut crease, and I want to pop abduction in the inner corner. It actually matches my headband. I ditched the cat ears for this today to kind of go with the vibe, but this color just speaks to me, and you know I love a bright color in my inner corner, so I'm really excited about that. The first thing I'm going to do is take this BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, and I'm going to start with Gravity. And I am going to start putting this right in the crease. That is the most perfect transition color. So just starting off there, and then I am going to start deepening it with Phone Home and X-Files. So first we're gonna go into Phone Home, and I am going to use the same brush that I was using and dipping into Phone Home and putting this right in that crease area to deepen it. And dragging it out slightly as well. Now that we have that more deepened, I am going to take, see if I can find it. Oh my gosh. It's always like when I have like every brush in front of me, I can't find the one that I want. So I'm gonna take this little, found it, BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, and we are gonna go into X-Files. And none of these have any kickback, mind you. This is amazing. So going right up a little bit higher, right above the crease. Now this is gonna look crazy for a minute, but remember we are gonna cut the crease. So I'm not really worried about how this looks blended down, but I want it up a little bit higher. And then dragging it out slightly as well, because I am gonna cut the crease right in through there. So doing the same thing to the other side. Okay, so now we are at this. I am going to deepen it, gosh, I can't speak today, a little bit further. I am going to take, oh my gosh, if I can grab her, my Morphe G18, and I am going to dig into Space Cowboy. I know it's a little bit of a shimmer, but I am just like obsessed with the way that everything is blending, so like I don't care. We're gonna play around with it and see how it goes. So just deepening it a little bit further and giving it that really cool color at the same time. And Space Cowboy, I'm keeping it lower because remember we are gonna cut the crease. So just at the very bottom of all the colors that we've blended. I'm just trying to use as many colors as I can in this look. I am gonna do quite a few looks with this palette though, so don't you worry. But so at this point, if you need to, go back in with your first fluffy brush and blend your edges out. I'm just gonna do a little bit right there. That's kind of all that I needed. And just a little bit in the same area on the other side just to make sure that it's really nice and blended. Now I am going to cut my crease. Okay guys, so crease is cut. I am now going to go in with a like flat kind of packing brush. Well, these ones you can technically be like a concealer brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. It is a number 8 brush. And I am gonna put, my God, I can't decide if I wanna do Interstellar or Pluto. We'll do both. So we're gonna do Pluto on this portion going out into Interstellar. So I'm gonna start with Pluto. And we are gonna just pack all in here. Oh my God, that's so pretty. And these shadows pack a punch. A little bit goes a long way. So after packing that color in there, I am gonna go into the other eye, just packing. This is my favorite brush to pack because it's really large and I have a large eyelid space. If you have a smaller eyelid space or hooded eyes, you're gonna wanna use a much smaller brush for this. e.l.f. has a really great concealer brush, a smaller brush from Morphe even, just because like this is a pretty large brush. And then I'm gonna clean it off and I'm gonna go to Interstellar, which is this incredible like antique-y shade. And just start packing this all in. And then I like to, of course, fling mine out. Just like that. Now we just have this incredible gradient going on there. This, like, I'm like feeling so inspired. Like this is the first palette that has legitimately inspired me and I don't even know how long. Like I can do a trillion looks with this and I'm going to. I'm probably gonna do a look for every amount of eyeshadow in here, which is crazy, but like they blend so beautifully. Like look at that freaking blend and it was so effortless. Oh my God. Okay. Anyways, I am now gonna take my, let me clean her off. I was too excited to film, so I did not clean all my brushes. So I am gonna go into Abduction. I'm gonna make an inner corner moment here. Actually, I lied, I'm so sorry. I am first gonna smoke out the lower lash line before I start smearing the green and then I mix like brown or something into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take Gravity, and this is a ColourPop brush. And I'm gonna start right underneath the eye. And I like to drag it outward as well. I love really dragging my shadows out. because I like to be dramatic. It's really all it is. And then I'm going to take X-Files and start smudging that underneath as well. Just like that. Oh my god, this shadow palette is amazing. Oh my god. And then I am going to take just a piece of just dry cotton that I have over here, and I'm just going to kind of buff out that little corner piece right there, just to make sure that we aren't getting too crazy. Perfection. And then just taking X-Files a little bit further. There we go. It just needed a little bit. I love this ColourPop brush for blending in under the eye. I feel like it just does such a great job with it. Oh, this look is looking so dope. Okay, now we are going into abduction. So I am just gonna get this on here, and I'm gonna start right in here. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So let me get closer so you guys can actually see the color, because it is really bright. So I think the camera's like blowing it out a little bit more. So I'm popping it right in there so that I'm gonna have that pop of color on the inner corners. Okay, so now that that is down, I am going to clean off this little brush, and I'm going to use the same brush, just make sure I have that green off, and I am going to highlight my brow bone with Pluto. Just like that, on both sides. And then just to make sure that I don't lose the blend right underneath it, I'm just gonna go right there with this brush, no additional product. Okay, so now I am gonna throw on a wing and some lashes. And lashes and liner are on. This is where we are at with the eyes right now. They are completely done. For lips today, I am just gonna go in with Jeffree Star's I'm Nude, which is a really nice, very pale toned color. I wear this lipstick when I want all the attention to be the eyes. And then I'll just probably throw like a gloss on over it. But I also have, oh my gosh, where did I put it? So in addition to the Alien palette, I also picked up a Supreme Frost highlighter. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I did get Wet Dream, because I wanted a shade that I could really wear every day. So this is the color. The packaging is everything. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the inside. So I am so excited to dig into this. Oh, this is gonna be everything. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite ColourPop fluff brush, and oh my god. This is freaking everything. Oh my god. Oh, a bitch is gonna glow today. I live for an ultra highlight every day of my life. Like, bitch. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna take this. You already know, we doing collarbones. We go in there. Ugh, this is everything. Guys, you have to pick this up. What the hell? Oh, I am in heaven. I need every color. If a family member is watching this and you want to get me something for Christmas, any color of these would be amazing. Oh my God. Now let's set with the Urban Decay De-Slick. And then I'm going to fan myself just to let this all sink in. And alrighty guys, and this is the finished look. I have nothing negative to say. I am in freaking heaven right now. Oh my God, guys. This is probably the best palette I've ever used in my entire life, and that is a bold ass statement, especially because I literally have a beauty room filled with makeup. I have like a legitimate problem. Everything blended beautifully. The colors, like I didn't even have to wet the shimmers, guys. We didn't have to wet anything. And I feel like the amount of like looks you could do this is literally endless. He is restocking this Black Friday. I am filming this video. Today is Wednesday, so I'm gonna try to get it up tomorrow for you guys, which will be Thanksgiving. So this will be my Thanksgiving video. Just so that if you guys are interested, you can kind of see how it performed on me. But I am living for this palette. I am so excited to play around with it and do a bunch of looks for you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial on this look. I hope you like the way that it turned out, and you could definitely do this type of look with any of your eyeshadow palettes at home. Just adding that little pop of color in the inner corner, I feel like really gives it a freshness. I wish it showed up more on camera, but it's really bright and beautiful in person. But you could always, if you wanted to do something even brighter, you could always go in with Alien as well. It's more of like a green apple color, but I live for that chartreuse green. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling. I live and breathe for this palette, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.